The White House Coronavirus Task Force takes center stage tonight. Today's public briefing comes as the pandemic flares up with record-setting outbreaks in parts of the country. At the same time, we are tracking a bright spot for the economy. President Donald Trump says it will come back roaring and will not shut down. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, today the White House updated the nation on the battle against the pandemic, the virus. Some parts of the nation are doing very well. Other places, a very serious problem. And right now, the majority of people getting infected are young people. Briefing reporters at the Department of Health and Human Services, the White House Coronavirus Task Force.
First, we want to share with you, as Dr. Birx will, what we're seeing in the rise of new cases that today surmounted 40,000 new cases in a single day.
And the virus proving itself a relentless foe.
We stand here today, we believe we've made progress. But as we are reminded as we see cases rising across the South, that we still have work to do.
Dr. Deborah Birx is tracking the spread of the disease.
And so as we call on individuals to protect one another, by passing someone on the street, you don't know what comorbidities they have. And this is why we've been focused on trying to protect one another.
We're now making thousands of ventilators a week.
The briefing comes one day after President Donald Trump visited a Wisconsin shipyard.
This horrible virus has hit 188 countries, if you can believe it. It came from China.
He said more tests means more cases.
Deaths are down. We have one of the lowest mortality rates. We've done an incredible, historic job.
Still, one Texas mayor is worried about growing hospitalizations.
The virus is not political. It is now beginning to fill my hospitals, and that is a serious public health, practical, real crisis.
On the economic front, American consumers increased their spending by a record 8.2% in May. But now Apple is temporarily closing 32 stores in 5 states, experiencing new spikes. Finally tonight, the task force urged people, especially young people, almost admonished them, in fact, that you have to be responsible. If you get infected, there's a good chance you'll infect somebody else. If we want to end this, we have to end it together. Tracy?
White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reporting for us tonight. Thanks so much, Owen.